Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Settings right now, press Windows plus I or click Start and choose Settings. Once done, go straight to Personalization and select Lock Screen. This central page controls the background, quick status, and app notifications. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to change, because Microsoft accounts can sync images. If you use a local account, changes stay on this device. Now that you're on the lock screen page, you'll see background and related settings ready for the next steps. Now choose the background type: picture, slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. Each behaves differently and suits different needs. If you pick picture, click Browse and select a high-resolution image. Windows prefers 16:9 or larger for crisp results. For slideshow, pick a folder of images and set power options so pictures change even on battery or lock. If you use Spotlight, Windows downloads curated images automatically. Once you pick one, check Preview to confirm how it appears on the lock screen. Finish by customizing quick status apps so useful info appears on the lock screen. You can add weather, calendar, or mail. Once set, use the Preview button or lock the PC with Windows plus L to verify the look. If the image doesn't update, make sure sync is on for Microsoft accounts and that the image file isn't blocked. Alternatively, sign out or restart Windows Explorer. If problems persist, restart the PC. This resolves cached resource issues most of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.